Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to know about switch statements, switch cases, and before this I have taught you about the user defined exception. Okay, so this is also very important topic related to your interview also, and your live tasks also. So whenever you go for the live task, maybe you will use these things, not regular, but you will use these things. So let's start today's video. And this is also a very interesting topic and very small interesting topic, so you can do some more examples by your side also. I will tell you how to do. Okay, so let's start about today's. So I have mentioned some sizes here, like integer size from the following, like I have given some particular values. Okay, so from this you are going to pick. Okay, and here I have this is the basic thing, scanner. Already I have taught how to and make this scanner and all. So let's see again. So integer I have defined one variable number. This is our integer type variable, and scanner dot next int. So it will allow you to enter the integer value. Okay, and then I have used here switch number. Okay, because we are going to pass the number here, so I have used this switch, and inside I have passed the property number. Okay, so you can see here I have mentioned some cases like 29, 42, 44 and 48. So if someone is typing other than this, so it will print what it will print. It will print the unknown. If someone is typing among this, so it will print like small, medium, size, extra large, or XL or whatever as per your requirement. You can mention it here. Okay, so this example we can go for the day also, like first in month week there is a 7 days, so you can go for the first, second till 7 days, and you can mention the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you can mention many more things, like you can mention the holidays also. Okay, so this is the way to make the many examples, and you are going to try after this lecture. Okay, so here I have mentioned like case 29. In case of case 29, it will print the sides small. Okay, and then it will break. So why we have used here break is optional also, and how it's working I will tell you. See, if you are typing 29, it will go for the 29. Okay, if 29, it will found, it will the print this one, and it will stop it here. Okay, so as it is, it will go for other also. It will check one by one, and you can use these things anywhere, like you can write this one in front also, and you can write this one in the middle also. It's not a problem. But if you are typing something else which is not belonging to here, it will give the unknown. Like you type something between the 42 and 48, so it will not find it here. It will print unknown to you. So let's see through example. Okay, run as Java application, and it will ask you to enter your size from the following. So I am typing here 48. Okay, so if I will type it here 48, you can see here it will give the extra large. Okay, same as it is. If I am typing something else other than this, so what it will give, you can see it here, like I am typing 54 or 58. Okay, so it will give unknown because it cannot find the from the following case. So this is the use of the switch case, and you have to try some more examples related to your month, holiday, related to your week and all, everything. So you can try by your side from practice. And this is all for this topic. So see you in the next topic. Take care. Bye bye.